that. Alright guys, since I'm very impulsive and can't be trusted with my money, I went ahead and got myself a new kayak today. It's a pedal drive, something new that I haven't tried out before. Giving it a go in this open water stretch, and yeah, we'll see how she goes.
Boy, am I keen for this. Oh, so obviously she's new to me, second hand, and thought I'd go with something a little bit different this time. We've got ourselves a pedal kayak, so we're gonna see how that goes. This is harder than I thought. Oh, what a mission.
Took me a while to configure everything, as this is my first time on one of these things, so yeah, bear with me as I go through the many fails and yeah. Started getting the hang of this thing. It definitely has a different feel than a sit on top kayak. It does have a little bit of left and right sway, but it also just feels really sturdy at the same time. It's a weird mix.
Mini runner on here. These are both $10 lures also, so trying a bit of everything out today, some new stuff. This is a Asari, these are Vietnamese lures. So oh god, if it can just unsnag itself. The mini runner. Awesome looking little crankbait, I must say. Doesn't cast that well. Oh god, that thing thumps. Absolutely thumps. Casts really shit because it's super light, and this isn't a BFS reel, so with BFS rod on, but DC not go really. I'm in solid wind right now, and I'm moving a little bit backwards, but not like super fast. How cool is that?
Now let's try and catch a fish on this thing.
It's the build up to one of the bigger moons now, so sometimes the fishing can be really productive, sometimes it can be kind of slow. First fish on the new boat. Powerful little sooty burger. First fish on the new boat. Cool. He feels cold. It's starting to heat up now, hopefully. Cool. He feels super cold. Like a bream in the estuary around this time of the year. Ooh. Oh. They hit like a train, don't they? Been going pretty good so far, but not too. They might turn on as the day goes on, I'm hoping. Oh, finally got that. It's the worst time to get a fish. That fought so weird. He was an angry bug. Finally. What we got? What we got? Whoa! Oh, what we got? I'm guessing that's a sooty. Oh, I'm guessing that's a sooty. Yep. Come here, dude. Nice. Not bad. Not bad at all. It's good. Quite a nice fish. Not a good place to catch a sooty. Sooty! No! No! That could have been Tiger.
Fin might be a bit stiff. Just need to fix that.
Oh no.